The brave heart of Salahuddin. Once upon a time, in a beautiful land of castle and river, a boy named Salahuddin was growing up. He wasn't the strongest boy in the village, but he had something even more special, a heart full of faith and a mind full of dreams. One evening, Salahuddin stood by the river, watching the sunset paint the sky. He said, "One day I will help the people, I will protect the weak, and stand for the truth. Inshallah." His father smiled and said, "My son, a true hero is not just strong with muscles. A true hero is strong with patience, kindness, and wisdom." Salahuddin listened carefully. He trained his mind with knowledge, his tongue with truth, and his heart with prayer. Whenever he saw a bird injured, he would help it. Whenever he saw a poor man, he would give from his own food. Years later, when enemies attacked the land, Salahuddin became a brave leader. He fought many battles with courage, especially against the Crusader who come to capture Muslim lands. One of his greatest victories was the Battle of Hattin, where he defeated a large enemy army. Afterwards, he recaptured the blessed city of Jerusalem, but he did not seek revenge. Instead, he showed mercy, guaranteeing safety to the people and honoring his promises. Even on the battlefield, he remembered his father's words. He showed kindness even to his enemies. When he won battles, he would free prisoners and feed the poor. The people loved him, and even his enemies respected him. They said, "This is not just a warrior, this is a man of honor." And so Salahuddin Ayyubi became one of the greatest heroes of Islam, not because he fought the hardest, but because he lived with faith, mercy, and courage. Thank you very much for watching. If you like the story, please don't forget to subscribe my channel.